In a small village, there lived a kind girl named Aisha. She was known for helping everyone in the village. One cold morning, Aisha was walking to school. Suddenly, she saw an old woman sitting on the side of the road. The woman looked very tired and weak. Aisha walked closer and asked, "Grandmother, are you okay?" The old woman said softly, "I am tired. I walked a long distance and my bags are very heavy." Without thinking twice, Aisha picked up the bags. "Let me help you," she said. They slowly walked together to the old woman's house. The old woman was very thankful. She said, "Many people walked past me, but you stopped to help." Then she gave Aisha a small box. Inside the box was a beautiful silver bracelet. Aisha said, "I cannot take this. I only helped you." But the old woman smiled and said, "Kindness must always be rewarded." Aisha finally accepted the gift and thanked her. Years later, Aisha became a doctor and continued helping people, just like she did that day. Moral: kindness always returns to you. Subscribe for more interesting stories.